I think they are stupid. Lord help us. This is like Redneck Central. I'm not quite sure what the neighbors are going to think now that we've got the pile of trash up here. And
see how the hill kind of humps up there and gets flat? That's before we ought to try to put debris.
Papa is
Yeah, I know, before it's flat.
riding the lawnmower, getting towed behind the Ford. Just looks like a really bad idea. I'm not sure why Papa had to be on the mower for it to get towed, but this is what they're doing. I hope none of the neighbors are looking out of their window right now, because they're so going to be judging us. Our pile of shit in the yard. And Papa is getting towed on the mower behind the Expedition. I just can't even. He made it. That is the most redneck thing I've ever seen.
Exactly. I think that's probably what the neighbors thought.
I was like, I'm praying that none of the neighbors watched this, because they'd be passing judgment hard. I would be.
Well, they're probably already
Be like,
trash.
holy shit, these people from South Carolina.
You're not going to